Hello guys, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to see how everyone was doing, and I wanted to unbag the Ipsy glam bag. This is just the first one. I'm still waiting on my glam bag plus, or whatever they call it these days. But if you want to get into this, stick around. And here we are. Let's see what's in this bag. Ooh, we got some stuff that's not even in the package. Alright, I did do an add-on. And I'll show you that in a minute, but let's see the card. It says celebrate March. Does it have, oh, and it has the pricing of everything and what it is, but this is the bag this month. I actually think it's cute. It says 100th Ipsy glam bag. I think it's very cute. And let's see what's first thing that's on here is the Ofra Cosmetic Bronzer in Americano. Let's open it if I can get it out of the bag. And I did get it out of the bag, and it's from Ofra. And oh, I already said it's from Ofra. Duh. Let's see if I can open it. I opened it. It looks very pretty. It says deluxe sample. The full-size version of this is 10 grams and it is $35. Let's see how many grams this is. And this is 10 grams. 10 grams or 0.35 ounces, and this is 10 grams, so this is $35. So this paid for the bag and plus had extra. And then we have, next is a Luxie Beauty Periwinkle Pro Precision Tapered Brush. And this goes for $24. I don't know really what you would use this for. It says sprinkles the sheer washes colors and the fluffy brush. You must have tools for applying powder formulas across lids with ease. Applying powder formulas across the lids with ease. Slightly tampered tip blends to mold blushes and highlighters. Okay, so blushes and highlighters. Tip. It says tip. Sweep this brush over your cheeks to diffuse the pigments and even out any splotchiness. So that's what that does. But this is the brush. It's a nice brush. I just didn't know exactly what it was for because of how it's shaped. But with that and that, we're at $35. That'd be $59 for just these two products for this bag. That costs $12. So, and then we have the Wonder Beauty eyeshadow in Blossom. Let's see what this is. This is a deluxe sample size, but the full version is $25. And oh, of course they have to have it completely taped up, so I can't get in it. If you're wondering why I'm outside, it's a nice day. We're trying to just let the kids play because we just found out the kids ain't gonna be in school for the next 3 weeks, so I wanted to let them play and enjoy their day outside while it's nice before they can't. Ooh, this is a very pretty color. It's kind of sparkly. I don't know if you can see. But that's that. And then we have a caolion blackhead O2 bubble pour pack. I don't know what this is, but that's what it is. It says tip, massage on clean skin until it bubbles up. Leave for 5 minutes, massage again, then rinse. So you do rinse it. And then you have a Polar night cream, and it says don't forget your neck. Keep your soft and supply by slathering this on before bed. And the full version is $48 and 52 milliliters, and this is 15 milliliters. So that's what that is. And then we have one more item, and it's the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. And it's $32 for the 30 milliliters. And this is, I don't know how many milliliters this is. It doesn't say how many. Oh, this is 10 milliliters. So this is a third of it. So a third of 32 would be like $11 for just this right here too. So that's pretty cool. And then I added on one of these for, it was supposed to be $3, but then they had a $2, like if you added one thing, you get $2 off. So I only paid $1 for this. And it's the Pixie H2O Skin Drink Pure Hydration Gel. I figured to give it a try for $1.07 with tax was a great deal, so I added it. But if you like this bag, Daddy, if you like this bag, subscribe, like, and until the next video, bye guys.